Hi everybody. Tonight we're having ahi tuna. I got a pound of it for both of us. Big pieces, but tuna is very healthy for you and only has about 220 calories. I'm going to make some fresh cauliflower and broccoli steamed in the microwave. Now, I don't know about you, but I, like most people, like my tuna rare. So please make sure that you're getting at least a sushi grade tuna because you don't want to get sick from it. So I already have my water in the microwave. I'm going to put my fresh vegetables in the steamer. Pile them in there because we like fresh vegetables. Put the top on it. Okay, my pan is steaming, so that's going to be nice and ready for the tuna. We'll put this in the microwave. 5 minutes on that. And it looks like my pan is nice and hot for the tuna. We're going to throw some tuna on here. And we're just going to cook it a minute or two on each side because, like I said, like most people, I like it nice and rare. Is there another way to have tuna? I don't think so. So I'm going to put a little lime and a little bit of salt. No, it's not a margarita, but lime and salt, a little bit of garlic, that's really all you need. And real quickly, let that heat up. And I'm going to get ready to turn it over soon. Now, tuna is very good in omega-3s, very high in protein. Each one of these pieces has about 50 grams of protein for the size of it, and about 200 to 225 calories. I just wanted some nice grill marks, which I have. Oh, it's really almost done. I'm just going to throw a little garlic on there. Garlic powder. Let this cook another 30 seconds and I'll have my tuna ready. A nice, healthy, low calorie, high protein, low fat diet in 6 minutes. Not too bad. The vegetables will be done in 3. This is done. I'm going to turn it off. And there you have it. So did you know that tunas could swim 60 miles an hour? Now, I live in South Florida. Half the people don't drive on I-95 at that speed. So that's pretty fast. So that's our meal for tonight. Have a good night.